Well, hello everybody. I bought this Panasonic HC-W580, I don't know, maybe a couple of years ago to begin shooting videos with it instead of the ZI-8, which I'm filming with right now. And when I bought this, it had a function on it, I believe it's called Link to Sell, and you could download an app and put on your smartphone and control the camera with it. But what I wanted to do was use remote viewing on my computer. So I called Panasonic and they said no, you can't do that. They didn't have an app for the computer. So I started doing a little bit of brainstorming and I figured out a way where I can control this from my computer. As a lot of you guys know, I shoot most of my clips overhead, so constantly futzing around with the camera, it's just a lot easier for me to control it with my computer. It's just general information. It may go beyond Panasonic, but let's get underway and I'll explain how I've done it. Alright guys, well this is how I got it to work. I'm using an emulator so I can run Android on my computer, and the one I am using I got from memuplay.com. Downloaded and installed it, but there's some other steps, at least at the time when I did this, that I needed to do, so I'm going to go ahead and run through those. Like I said, you download and install that, and then I believe I had to download the Hyper-V so I could change the settings so I could bridge the network adapter to make it work. I'm actually running the 64-bit version, so that's why I have it here. And then these missing files, all four of these DLLs and this executable, will get copied and put into C program files for 64-bit, x86 for 32, microvert, and then this Hyper-V folder right here, Memu Hyper-V, just paste those in there. Then the bridge driver needs to be installed, which is simply running this executable, which should already be there. And I believe it's netfltinstall.exe. You need to get that installed. And then you need to set it up, the actual emulator, to take advantage of that bridge driver, which is this Memu Hyper-V executable here. You double click on that. This is the one I'm using here. So you would simply go into Settings, go down to Network, Adapter 2. I'm not sure if it's enabled by default. I kind of doubt it, but you'll need to enable it if it's not. And then from the Attach To, you need to drop this down and select Bridge Adapter. And that's all you do. It should work. So once that is complete, I'm using this multi-Memu, and there is my Android emulation. I will start this up. It will take it just a moment to load. And the first thing I did in here was check the network settings, so we'll do that. We'll go into settings here, and you see the Wi-Fi. You can see I'm connected with a local address on my local network, hardwired. So everything should work. The connectivity should work as well. And then I simply went out and logged into the Play Store and downloaded this Panasonic image app. Now my camera's not on right now, so it will not connect. I will be coming back to this to show it. For right now, I'll just cancel this. Alright, well this is how I set up my camera. I will go ahead and turn it on. I've got a Wi-Fi button right here. Punch that, and then the option that I'm using is Link to Sell. Click that, and right now it's connecting to my wireless network. It'll take it a moment, and there it is, it's connected to it. Alright, I've got my camera connected. It's above my head right now, so we're back in the emulator, and I'm going to open up this image app, and you'll see here in a moment when it connects that now I've got control over the camera. I can zoom in slower or faster. I can zoom back out. I've got the record button here. I can start recording a video, stop it. You can control some of the functions on the camera, not necessarily everything. There's some options down here that could be used. But that's how I do it. I can also do snapshots. Let's say I'm setting up and wanting to take progressive pictures of something. I don't have to touch the camera, so everything stays in the exact same spot, and I can just switch over and just snap photos at my leisure. So it's just an idea on what you might be able to do with smarter devices like this to get around what they say could not happen. So hope this helps someone in some way. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.